Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a subscription on OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, log into your OnlyFans account and head to your profile by clicking your profile icon. Once you are there, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Subscription Price. Now you will see an option to set your monthly subscription price. You can choose any amount, but keep in mind there's minimum price set by OnlyFans. Enter your price, click Save, and you are done. Your profile now has an active subscription, and new fans will need to pay that amount to access your content. Make sure you have also added your banking or payout information because you won't be able to receive earnings until that's set up. Also, if you want to offer discounts or bundle deals, you can manage that in the same settings section. And that's it. Now you know how to add a subscription on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.